Essay on Festivals of India. India is a land of festivals. People of different religions, cultures, and traditions live here. Festivals make our country full of joy and color. We celebrate many festivals like Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas, Durga Puja, and Pongal. Each festival has its own history and meaning. Diwali is the festival of lights, Holi is the festival of colors, Eid teaches us about love and sharing, and Christmas spreads the message of peace. Festivals bring families and friends together. People wear new clothes, decorate their homes, prepare sweets, and enjoy with happiness. Festivals also show the unity in diversity of our country. They teach us values of love, respect, and brotherhood. Festivals make our lives bright and joyful. They are the heart of India's culture and tradition. We should celebrate them with happiness and unity.